Two women were rescued from Steamboat Lake in rural Cass Lake this afternoon after their boat reportedly blew away from them in the wind when they got in the water for a swim. The Cass County Sheriff's Office reports that a woman swam up to a resort on the south side of the lake in Wilkinson Township, exhausted from swimming and saying that her two friends were still in the water. Deputies arrived at the resort within 3 minutes of the time of the 911 call and learned that a fisherman and resort guests were able to find the women and bring them back to shore. The three victims from Minneapolis were all in their 20s and were treated on scene for minor injuries, including water intake and exhaustion. Cass County Sheriff Brian Well credits the successful outcome of this dangerous situation to those who immediately got into the water to search for the victims who were stuck swimming with 20 to 30 mile-per-hour gusts of wind.
Lakeland News is a nonprofit news organization. Donate to Lakeland PBS today to support your local news team.